Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox of Safety topic video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to the channel where you will find additional videos of this nature and you'll be notified of new releases. Now, this week we'll be talking about scaffolding. And this is just a brief overview. There's a lot more information that we can cover in this 5 to 7 minutes. So uh, make sure if you have any additional questions or concerns, you get in touch with me and we'll get those taken care of. Scaffolding safety, a critical aspect of our work that protects everyone on site. Scaffolds enable us to work at heights safely, but only when they're used correctly and maintained properly. Let's review key safety points, discuss why each is vital, and ensure that everyone understands our responsibilities. Number one, as always, is comprehensive training for workers. Every worker must receive thorough training on scaffolding systems. This training covers proper assembly, usage, inspection, and disassembly techniques. And why it matters. Well-trained workers know the correct procedures, can identify potential hazards, and respond appropriately in emergencies. Continuous refresher sessions ensure skills remain sharp and up to date. Number two, regular inspections to ensure safety. Pre-use inspections inspect scaffolding before each shift. Check for any damage, corrosion, missing components, or signs of wear that can compromise stability. Ongoing monitoring is also important. Regularly monitor scaffold during use to ensure nothing has shifted or degraded. If you find an issue, stop work immediately and report it for repair. Consistent inspections prevent accidents by catching issues early. Safety isn't a one-time checklist, it's an ongoing process. Number three, follow proper assembly guidelines. Always follow the manufacturer's instruction and our company's assembly procedures. Use the correct tools and techniques to secure each component. Work as a team during assembly, with experienced personnel guiding less experienced workers. No shortcuts. Every connection matters. As correctly assembled scaffold is the foundation of safe work at height, errors in assembly can lead to instability, increasing the risk of fall. Adhere to load capacities. Number four, every scaffold has a maximum load rating. This includes the combined weight of workers, tools, and materials. Always calculate the total load before beginning work and ensure you're within safe limits. Overloading can compromise the scaffold's structural integrity. Overloading is a leading cause of scaffolding failure. Respecting load capacities ensure that the scaffold remains stable and safe. Number five, install guardrails and toe boards. Secure guardrails on all open sides of the scaffold to prevent falls. If guardrails are not installed, then personal fall protection must be utilized. Toe boards. Attach toe boards to prevent tools or materials from accidentally falling off the platform. These physical barriers protect both the workers on the scaffold and anyone working or passing below. Number six, provide safe access. Use designated ladders, stairways, or ramps to get on and off the scaffold safely. Do not use makeshift or unstable platforms for access. Safe access minimizes the risk of falls and injuries while entering or exiting the scaffolding. Number seven, housekeeping. Maintain a clutter-free workspace. Clear off debris, loose tools, and any obstacles that might cause tripping. Regularly remove waste and clean the scaffold area during work to prevent accidents. A clean work area reduces hazards and ensures that workers can move freely and safely around the scaffold. Number 8, PPE. Use the appropriate PPE. Always wear hard hats, non-slip footwear, and wear required harnesses or fall arrest systems. Inspect your PPE regularly to ensure it's in good working condition. Replace damaged equipment immediately. PPE is your last line of defense in the event of an accident. It minimizes injuries and can save lives. Remember, scaffolding safety is a shared responsibility. Every one of us plays a vital role in ensuring our own safety and that of our coworkers. If you're ever unsure about a procedure or notice something that doesn't look right, speak up immediately. If you have any questions or need clarifications regarding these safety practices, feel free to contact me. All right, boys and girls, that's it for this week's Toolbox Safety Topic meeting. Thanks for stopping by, and thanks for watching. Make sure you give me that thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to the channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, and you'll be notified of new releases. And remember, look out for yourself because you're number one. Look out for your co-workers and help ensure their safety. And as always, have a grateful day, and we'll see you in the next one. Safety is all on you. It's all on you, man.